Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some fixes which you can use and try and fix any OneDrive errors which you have. I am using this Uniserve article since I do not have these problems and cannot replicate them, but just follow these steps and you should come across a valid solution. The first of which is trying and re-establishing the sync on your OneDrive. You can go and right-click the OneDrive icon on your taskbar and clicking exit. If that doesn't work, you can view online by going into the OneDrive icon, clicking more, and then clicking view online and signing in. If you're having problems signing in, check that Microsoft is not having problems themselves by going to the Service Health portal at this link. You can also check and install Windows updates. This will also install the latest OneDrive, and that might be a fix for your problems. Now, what you can also do is unlink OneDrive and run the setup again. You can unlink by going into OneDrive, more settings, accounts tab, and unlink this PC. If that doesn't work, you have to make sure that any files you're trying to sync don't have a problem with them. So move some files out of the folder or all of them and try and resync. First, you need to pause syncing for 2 hours. Make sure you do that first. And once you resync, you will possibly have a fix to your problem, and then just add the files again and try syncing again. Now, another thing which you can do is turn off Office Upload. You just go into OneDrive Settings, Office tab, and uncheck the Use Office 2016 to sync Office files that I open. What you can also do, if that doesn't work, is make sure, of course, that you have enough space on your device, and that should also be a fix. Check and compare the size of your OneDrive storage to the available disk space. If you don't have enough OneDrive storage, you will not be able to sync. You can also update, repair, or reinstall Office. This might also cause your problems, and once you do, it should be fixed. Another thing is you can reset OneDrive by going into local app data, Microsoft OneDrive, and OneDrive.exe /reset, and press OK, and a command window may appear briefly. Manually launch OneDrive after that by pressing the start key and type OneDrive in the search box and click on the desktop app, and everything should be fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.